Factoring trinomials. I'm Anil Kumar, and in this video we'll learn about few strategies to answer a typical question on making a trinomial factorable. The question here is, find two values for the coefficient k so that the trinomial 18x squared minus 42x plus k can be written as product of two binomials. In this case, k is a constant. So what we need to do is find the values of k which will make this possible. That means make it factorable. That is to say, write it in the form of x plus a times x plus b. And of course, there will be some coefficients here since we do not have leading coefficient 1, right? So there has to be some coefficients here. But anyway, what I'm trying to say is in this particular form. The strategy is product and sum, right? So we are basically looking for two numbers, p and q, so that when you multiply these numbers, you get 18k, right? 18 times k. But when you add them, then what you get is minus 42. So that is a strategy. So what we can do is, we can work backwards. That is to say, what can you add to 18 to get 42? Correct? So let's try this. So we have 42 here. Let's take away 18 from there. So if you do that, you get what? 12 take away 8 is 4. 3 take away 1 is 2. 24. So k could be 24, right? So that can work. Since we need this minus value, so we can have both values as negative, correct? So we could have p and q as minus 18 and minus 24 to get this answer, right? So one value of k could be 24. That is to say, our equation 18x squared minus 42x plus 24 can be factored, right? So that is one particular solution. Similarly, you can find other values. Now to find the other values, what we can do is, I'll use a different strategy here. I'm leaving this factoring for you to do, right? The other strategy is, what is the other combination of getting minus 42? So I need to get minus 42. Okay, let me write minus 42, right? I could also say minus 36 minus 6 will give me minus 42. Is that okay? So these could be my numbers. That means product is 36 times 6, correct? So I need a product of two numbers p and q as 36 times 6. I already have 18, right? So I'll write 18 here. So I need to find what should be k to give me 36 times 6, right? So k should be 12, right? So because 18 is 2 times 36, correct? So k should be 18, which will give me the same, k should be 12 to give me the same number. Is that okay? So that can actually work, correct? So 36 times 6 or 18 times 12 is kind of same thing. So I could have k as 12, correct? So we could use here 18x squared minus 42x plus 12, and then that can be factored, correct? Here the two key numbers will be 36 and 6, both with negative sign, correct? Let me show you how to factor the second one. So basically, we'll write this as 18x squared minus 36x minus 6x plus 12, right? Now we can take 18x common here. So we get 8x minus 2. And here we can take minus 6 common. We get x minus 2. That could be written as x minus 2 times 18x minus 6, correct? Of course, you can factor 6 also from here. Once you factor 6, I'll write down the answer straight here. Factoring 6 will give me 3x minus 1, right? And then we have x minus 2. To get the idea. So you could factor this expression in this fashion, provided k is 12. So likewise, you can find different values of k and make it factorable, right? So as an exercise, find factors for the equation already given to you. I hope that helps. Thank you and all the best.